So usually on these 2-strokes, if you're running rough, I apologize if roofer's doing some work across the street. First things you want to check: air filter, spark arrestor, and fuel filter. These two checked out. I think this has already been deleted. Fuel filter was clean. I just scrubbed it out with Carb Clean anyway. Air filter was pretty dirty, so I cleaned this out, threw it back on, still ran like crap. So I was like, okay, what the heck? I then realized that if I push the air box up onto the carburetor, it ran perfect. So I was like, okay, look closer. You can see the air box isn't even attached to the carburetor. And this is something that's happened several times, but it seems it always stumps me because you don't exactly expect it to happen, but you know, with how much vibration these things create when they're running, especially idling, they just kind of vibrate the screws off and they become loose. And this is going to be a big vacuum leak, so it's just not going to run right. And this can happen between the airbox and the carb and the engine, so just double check those. Might be a quick fix for you.